Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to connect your website with Bing Webmaster tools. Here you can go and type Bing Webmaster tools. Then you can open this website. Click here Get Started and then select one of the account. So let me select this one, Google account. And then select this one, scroll down and click here continue button. Now we need to add a website URL here. So if you have connected your website with Google Search Console, then you can import that existing data. Now I can copy website link and add here, then click on add button. Now it will ask me to verify. I can use this one, meta tag, click here. So I need to add this code in my website. Let me log in into my website. So if your website is on WordPress, then you can use this one, /wp-admin. And now here you can see I'm logged in. I'm using Oxen's WordPress theme. Let me show you here. So if you are using a different WordPress theme, maybe this can be different for you. Okay, after that here you can see this one, theme file editor. Mostly WordPress themes have this feature, theme file editor. Click here, I understand, and after that I need to select the parent theme, this one, Oxen's. Scroll down and here we need to find out header file. Let me scroll down. This one is the header file, and now we need to add that meta tag here, and after that press enter, then add the meta tag here. After that click on update file. File is updated. Let's go back, scroll down and click here this one, try again. So guys, here you can see we got notification, congratulations, it is successful. So this is overall report for the website. So now you can submit sitemap from here. Okay, this one is already submitted. Here you can see 2 years ago, and here is URL inspection. You can inspect any of the URL. For example, if I go back here, I can copy any of the page link from here. For example, this one, I can copy it and then add URL here, then click inspect, and we need to index this page. Click here request indexing, then submit. So we can submit 100 URLs per day in Bing Webmaster tools. So this is a very useful tool and helpful tool that can easily index your website, and you can check each and everything about your website SEO progress and many more. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.